Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix input lag on PS4 keyboard and mouse. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your console and then click on settings. And once you click on settings, here you'll have an option that says devices, right? Simply click on it. And once you click on devices, here you'll have an option that says Bluetooth devices. Simply click on it. And now a thing to keep in mind is that in order to complete this process, you will need your two controllers. Now once you have your both controllers, what you need to do is turn off your main controller. And once you disconnect or turn off it, what you need to do is connect your second controller. And once you have connected your second controller, disconnect it once again and then connect your main controller. And once you do that, try again. And that's basically how to fix input lag on PS4 keyboard and mouse. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.